Welcome to Pradhesh Finance. And yes, absolutely, as we say that political review, we will start developing, not start uploading on our videos on our YouTube channel. So if you are interested in US politics, let us know. This is the case study we are going. Just an opinion, okay? We are not from US. We are sitting in India. We do only some chart analysis and Nasdaq predictions. So probably it's not worth, or it may worth. It depends on our viewers. But according to our last opinion about the Nasdaq, it's Nasdaq chart analysis, then yes, it has shown some sort of drastic changes in Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100 too. See, in the last week, whatever we have seen, the downtrending Nasdaq is quietly an opportunity for investor to invest into the market. That everyone knows. Everyone is a smart who invested into the market is the fact. Yeah, somehow somewhere our predictions about the Nasdaq Composite Index is quietly different. Picked up from our previous video, you can check out. But yes, up to certain limit it has gone down drastically in case of composite index, but in Nasdaq 100 it really showed different. It's sustained it into the market. So guys, Vridivage Finance going to give you political opinion or overview or whatsoever. So this is, as we see, the tug of war between the Donald uh, Trump and absolutely Kamala Harris. So in this case, we may upload some sort of video in the nearest future about the states of USA and how their political polls are there, because it is going, I believe it in the November it has in the election. So during the November means August, September, October, November. So round it approximately 3 months are there. So due to that means we have checked on. So anybody wanted to tell us what, anybody wanted to demand us any sort of video about politics in US, it is a free, we will upload it. See, basically we are not touch up the share. Yes, we are completing 3 years in the Nasdaq predictions, and that's quite interesting. I am in August month is really have a different vertical for international in my life. I believe it. Yes, means it's given me a lot of courage to do something internationally. So anyways guys, and the previous video link is into the description, and this week we are going to give the analysis about, not analysis, we are giving the predictions about Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 12th August 2024 by Vridivage Finance. Let's check out what our predictions talk about it. And yes, absolutely, if you want anybody's his detail on political opinion, let us know. But not from Indian politics, because it's really harmful for us. Probably in case we do some sort of video upload on Indian politics, then then somebody will visit our house even. So we scared, but it's okay. We will give a talk about the US, because US people are more mature than Indian. So I believe it. I believe it. I mean, they are not mature or something like that, but they should understand the point of view that this is an opinion. Opinion means this is just as a case study we are telling. Yes, recently we have seen a news over here about Vinesh Fogart, and that is quite interesting. And I mean, worldwide people are telling that she is eligible to get silver medal at least how can somebody disqualified based on 100 grams? So basically, the conspiracy versus controversy is the one sentence we can say, because in a drastic changes in the weight and some another, if you see another player has really did it within that many hours, they drag down they drain their weight, not drain, they lose their weight within a day, and she is unable to do it. So it's not all about body, it's about something nutritional game, okay, over here. Nutritional game, I think even I have seen there are number of reviews games about her, that from different region of the world. And yes, absolutely. See, nutritionist is not that much eligible who can't give her in a right manner, right food or right something. Even the doctors are really fail. Their teams are not capable to do these things. It's quite interesting. I mean, 100 grams. Just 100 grams makes a sense. What Michael is doing? That's my question. If any Indian watching this video, please raise your voice. Because if you are Indian, you should support Indian at last. So I knew it that Indian watch my video. So that's the reason I'm telling about it. Because what your medical team is doing, yeah, 100 grams. I mean, 100 grams I have seen on various videos are fake. Means millions of videos on fitness are fake to prove that 100 grams really nutritionist. What they are doing, they are putting blame on a player. It's quite not, this is looks like a conspiracy over controversies. Okay, so according to Vridivej Finance, I think she has to point out on that terms, rather than just giving up or something declaring in one another way. That's not good at all. And what and how, this is not the way that team represent internationally. Anyways, probably in the whole Olympic, maybe everyone get a silver medal only. Recently, we have seen somebody was expecting gold and now it's fall on the floor with the silver medal. It's quite interesting. Yes, seconds, gram matters now. Previously also it is matter, but anyways it's okay. But as we see, the people are not reaching their certain level. Yeah, many people has a controversy about Indian politics having influence in Olympic, but there is a media talk too much. We're not going in the Olympics. Yeah, probably we will launch some game analysis later on, but not now, because yes, absolutely, all video takes a time consuming. Okay, so guys, here we come back our finance, and here we are not going to give the analysis on the game point of view or not in a reaction. Yes, this is a reaction because we have seen that a number of people has raised voice about Vinish, and we really realize that women into topmost category anywhere internationally has to suffer. So let us see what Kamala Harris show the match in US and what Vinish will give up or kick up. See, she's from wrestling, so she has to kick up rather than give up. Okay, she has to raise this point what the medical science was doing for what the nutritionist job is there, what they are doing. Okay, if some another player is dropping their weight and she is unable to do it, then there is something wrong. Okay, there is something wrong, so you had to point it out. Anyways, I think Vinesh forgot how to raise her voice, but we are teaching something called as a raise your voice. If you stand for as an independent woman to keep fighting something, yes, you have to stand out in the market. Anyways, we are not going to do anything. We are telling the media that stop talking and raise your voice in the right manner. So, anyways, guys, the new prediction for Nasdaq Composite Index, Common Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 5th of August 2024 till 10th of August 2024. Composite Index maximum higher end we were expecting. Here we have a lot of volatility in this week. It can goes up to 18,050 point, which is not possible. We are aware the stability around 17,850 points minimum. If it is goes down, it can touch up to 17,350 points. Nasdaq 100 we were expecting maximum higher end 19,200 point. It is not possible. It will give the stability, means flat trend around 18,880 points. Oh my gosh. And minimum if it is goes down, it can touch up to 18,100 points. So you can check our flat trend we were expecting this week. Suppose this is happening, you can thumbs up to our YouTube channel. Okay. So predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index, Common Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 12th of August 2024 till 16th of August 2024. The composite index of Nasdaq has maximum higher end points. It may goes up to 17,050 points, where the stability it can show around 16,850 points. Minimum it can goes down up to 16,150 or 16,350 even. So Nasdaq 100 is maximum higher end. We were expecting around 18,900, and it can show some sort of stability around 8,680. And if it is gone down, it can touch up to 18,000 or 18,150 points. So it can show some sort of stability in this week, might be. So let us know what magic or what new thunder is going to change the points into the chart, okay, of Nasdaq 100 and Nasdaq Composite Index. So anyways, we are completing 3 years now. Dear viewers, Prithviraj Finance started Nasdaq prediction probably in 2021. Yeah. So you can check our old video. Our first video also hit to the market, and it is exactly gave the perfect analysis. So we are happy. If you have any sort of suggestions from international market, let us know on Quora, but we are not checking even on Quora. So anyways, you can put it up. We will later know, we will implement it, because video making is taking time consuming. So anyways, guys, we will do something good for our basically. Yes, we will rework out on our strategies. So anyways, thank you, have a great day, enjoy weekend, and happy Sunday, guys. Yeah, I'm aware that only males has subscriber for us. Probably hardly one female will be there, not email will be there. So anyways, have a great day, enjoy your holiday. And yes, Kamala Harris political opinion we will check, and what sort of analysis we can deliver to the market very soonly. Probably by next month onward, we will start that political opinion about US, because finance is always influence, industry verticals always influence the by politician, and yes, that's it. Bye.